Hello everyone!
Ciao picciotte e picciotti! Our happy lunch!
Look at that! This is the traditional Sicilian brioche with gelato. Not ice cream, gelato. And we are in the main square of Terrasini, in the province of Palermo.
And today is very hot, guys. So we have about 30 degrees. I don't know in Fahrenheit, but 30 degrees is very
It's about
hot.
85 Fahrenheit degrees.
I would like to tell you that this is, we call brioche. In Siciliano, we say a brioche con gelato. And it's not a salty bread, but this is a sweet bread,
But very soft.
very soft, and it's perfect. It's a perfect combination with the gelato. And so a lot of Sicilian people used to have the lunch eating just a brioche with gelato, so a brioche con gelato. Every time is the right time to enjoy una brioche con gelato, giusto Gianca?
We are very close to Francis Badalamenti's hometown. Terrasini is very close to Cinisi. Francis Badalamenti is one of the best followers that we have in this beautiful community.
Yes, she has been following us for
a long
time, so maybe 2 or 3 years. I don't remember.
Ciao Francis, if you are watching us, mwah.
And
You've been delicious. You've been so kind during our cooking event last Sunday. You've been, I just say, incredible. You've been so gentle with us,
and so sweet.
so sweet.
so lovely.
Also, the other people, the
Also.
other participants were so funny and so lovely with us. But my thoughts are for you, Francis. You've been the best. So we want to show you now the small village named Terrasini. Terrasini, which is the origin? Do you remember the origin of the name?
Yes, Terrasinus, because we are near a gulf named
This
Caborama.
This is a seaside village, first
Yes.
of all,
Now we will show you, of
with
course.
a beautiful coastline. There are a couple of beautiful sandy beaches and an amazing rocky coastline. My favorite in Sicily, Cala Rossa, the red coastline. And from Terrasini to San Vito Lo Capo, it's a long distance, there is one of the best and one of the largest gulfs in Sicily. So, as Rosella said, Terrasini comes from Terrasinus. It means the land of the Gulf, because of thanks to the beautiful Gulf that starts from Terrasini and ends in San Vito Lo Capo. And Terrasini is a medieval town, not so old, not so ancient as the Norman villages such as Cefalù or Cacamo, but with a younger heritage. But we are still talking about some centuries.
Yeah.
For example, the main church that you see behind us,
The Mother Church.
the Mother Church, is from the 1700s.
Yes.
And is dedicated to the Virgin of Grace.
Yes.
La Madonna
Maria delle Grazie, Maria Santissima delle Grazie, which also is the patron saint of this town.
Of this town, yeah.
Yeah.
And now we are gonna show you the beautiful coastline. It's a very easy walk, just 5 minutes.
But I think that the hardest part will be walking with the brioche because our gelato is going to liquefy very quickly because it's very hot today, and so it's an hard challenge, Gianca.
Usually when we enjoy brioche with gelato, we don't talk. We don't talk at all. So this is a hard job. This is a challenge for us.
What about
start.
your flowers, Gianca?
I got strawberries, the pink one, and lemon. I decided to be a good boy today. I skipped any chocolate, any pistachio, any almonds because I want to be good. In the last days, I had 2 cookery events with Maria.
Too many pizzette?
I had a lot of pizzetta, I had a lot of spinci,
Involtini.
Involtini rolls, meat rolls. So I had to be good and I have to follow a diet now. Of course, it doesn't include it in any diets because this is so
So sweet.
so sweet and full of
Calories?
calories.
I decided instead of to follow my heart and my stomach, not my diet, and so I decided to choose pistachio, almond, and coffee. What a great lunch!
Very good. Okay,
Can we go?
I'm ready.
This is for you.
Would you like to give me the spoon? Give me the spoon.
I need the spoon. Why you want the
Okay.
spoon? Sometimes the spoon is useful with the gelato.
Okay, Rosella.
I take the other thing.
Don't go away from the view, Rosella.
How are you guys? Can you hear us? We forgot to ask you if you can hear us. Oh, hear the bells also. Switch
Only
the camera.
2 rings.
Così l'inquadratura è migliore.
Only 2 rings, so it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Guys, as you can see, the square is empty.
Yes.
I forgot to mention, I forgot to say that this is a touristic place.
Yeah.
Can you switch, please?
Yes. And we are very, very sad to see this square so empty because normally it's full, it's very crowded, full of wonderful people that decide to enjoy Sicily. But unfortunately, because of the COVID, each town, each place here in Sicily is so empty. And for us,
Switch?
when we see this place is so empty, of course we remind